Hello everyone, myself Isabella Amali, Assistant Professor in Computer Applications, and I'm going to discuss some basics about PowerPoint. In that one I have already discussed about insert and layouts and animation, so I'm going to explain a few things about design and views. So coming to the design, this is the enhanced part of PowerPoint presentation. Microsoft Office, that is the PowerPoint presentations, is meant for giving a prescribed, that is brief content to the audience. Okay. So in order to make the content more effective, we are having numerous features in the PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, and we have seen few things. Actually, the insert menus holds many contents which we can express to the audience in a better way, and also various animations effects which will be making the audience to stay in the content and to understand the contents in an effective way. So along with these options or these features, we are having a design menu where we can design the slides according to our wish and to design it in a way which will be interesting to the audience. Okay. For example, I'm going to add few slides, and then will be working on the layout, design options which can be applied to the slides and other objects. Okay. So basically, before getting into the design option, the basic content which we are giving as a text, okay, can be formatted in multiple ways. As you know, here the menu, from the menu you could see the options for editing the text in various things. Okay, so for example, if I am choosing a slide and from that I am choosing a text, means I can change the font type, font size, and I can make it increase the font size or decrease the font size, and or I can make it as an uppercase or lowercase or capitalize each word, and I can make it bold, italic and underline and subscript and strike through, and everything I can do. Same way I can also add the alignments, okay, centralized alignment, that is justified, left align, right align, and paragraph alignments will be holding this space, that is the values also. Okay, and also I can add the line spacing, I can add the bulletins, different types of bulletins, and numberings also. Okay, these contents will be very useful to edit the text which we are giving in the PowerPoint presentation. Normally the basic knowledge should be there, that we cannot just pour out the content to the slides. When we are going for a PowerPoint presentation, the key thing is the content which we are giving to the audience should be very brief and can hold different types of contents, that is images, shapes, charts, tables, everything which will be very easy to which should be easy to understand by the audience, and it should be an memorable one to stay connected to the content for the audience. So as you know, the basic formatting things for the text here is available, and when we are coming to the design, the main thing available in the design is the themes, various themes, and these themes can also be customized as per our wish. Those options are available in this menu options, that is colors, fonts and effects also available, and we can also change the background style, and we can have the graphics which are in the background can be hidden. Okay, so also here we are having the slide orientation, that is the page, that is portrait or landscape, because certain period of time or certain contents will be in need of presenting the contents as a landscape. Okay, and sometimes portrait. Okay, here is an option that is that may be hidden from you, that is the page setup, where we could have the where we could fix the page contents in a proper way. Okay, these are the main contents which are available, options which are available under the design menu. Okay, also we can have a view, we can have a overview over the view option. That is, view option is meant for the viewing of the multiple slides which we are having in the PowerPoint in different ways. The first one is the normal view, and second one is the slide sorter. Slide sorter means it will be every slides will be projected in a single page, and we can handle any changes if necessary. Okay, and also there will be a notes page which will describe the content which we are going to add as a notes in detail. Okay, you could see here in the slide, click to add notes. Here the space provided is a little small one when compared to the slide area, but when we are choosing the note page, we could add the contents to the notes in a efficient manner. Okay, and there is a slideshow that will be holding the whole screen for a single slide. Okay, and there will be a slide master. When we are selecting a slide master, the content which we are the style which we are implementing in the slide master will be applicable to the contents available under the all slides under the master slides. Okay, so likewise we are having many options in the view section: notes master, handout masters, rulers, grid lines. It all for the proper view of a content in a PowerPoint, because not only the normal view will provide the proper reachability to the audience, but certain times we will be in need of showing the contents in a different ways. So that time we will be in need of these things. We can also zoom it, and we can also fit to the window. The content can be fitted to the window, and we can change the contents as a grayscale or pure black and white or color in the sense RGB basically, and multiple colors. And there can be a new window and can be a cascade. We can arrange the slides as per we want, and we can also move the switch window, and we can also create the macros. Macros in the sense we can create a key. We can create some function which will be held by a function key. Wherever we want to use that key, we can, if we press the function key, then the changes which we are recorded will be changed. Will be applicable to the all contents which wherever we are presenting. So first of all, let's go to the design part. From the design, I will be showing few slides, and I will add some slides, and I will show how the themes are implemented. So I am typing some slides. Okay. So in this one I am adding a image. Let's read different. Another slide I am adding a flip art. Another slide I am adding shapes, smarter graphics. Just I am showing it for example. Okay. Just for just to show how the designs affects the content which we are giving in a normal view. For that only I am explaining it. So I am adding smarter graphics and a chart. And a chart here. I am not making much more changes, because these contents will be come under the insert menu, how we could insert and how we could change the contents. Okay, so for just for implementing the themes under the design menu, I am showing these things. Okay, so I have taken around 7 slides, and I am going to show you a slideshow kindly note how the normal slides which I have typed or added the contents, it look like this. Okay, so I am also adding text. So I am changing the position of the text. So listen, kindly note down how it shows in a normal view. Again I am showing in this slide I have picture added the picture here, and on the right part I have added the text. Okay, like this I am choosing, I am presenting. Okay, next I am going to choose a theme in the design menu. Please note that whenever I am changing the I am selecting the theme, the whole contents are getting affected in the PowerPoint. Okay. I am choosing this one, opulent. Okay, opulent slide, and the whole content that is inside the PowerPoint presentations are getting applied with the theme opulent. Okay. So you would have known, you would have noticed that the first slide which I have added my content in a simple manner that had a white background and black text. Okay, so now the content is changed with different colors for the title and different colors for the subtitle also. Okay. So this is based on the theme. Okay, so now let's see the slideshow. See how it looks. The themes are applied to the entire content. Even for the chart, the basic colors are basically normal colors are different, and then the theme colors are different to the this one. Smart art graphics and the other text which is having the bulletin and the title also. Okay. So when I want to change the basic colors but not the theme, I want to have the theme, but in the same theme I want to have a different colors, means I have to go to the colors and I can add, I can modify the basic colors. Okay. So if I want to give an office look, I can choose the office and civic or anything. Okay. So I am choosing the median. No, it won't be that much nice. So I am taking the trek. Okay. Sorry. Finally, I am selecting the verb. Okay. Verb. So now see the slideshow. How it looks. All the bulletin colors, text colors, title colors, chart color, and smart art color, everything got changed. Okay, so we can from this one, just let's know that we can design the various slides in a PowerPoint using the design menu, and we can also change the basic colors in those themes, and we can also add change the font types. Background styles also can be added. Okay, so from that background also we can choose the formats which are available in the texture, for example like this one, and we can also apply to the particular slide, or we can apply to all the slides also. Okay, likewise we can have the design menu working. See, this is the slide shot after applying theme and background contents. Okay, here I am showing the landscape format, and I am changing it as a portrait. Again landscape. Okay, so showing it as a portrait will be like this, and I can also make the page setup. Here also slides, notes, everything can be handled as a separate thing, portrait or landscape, and the measurements can also be given from the this content, that is width and height also can be given. Hope you could understood the design part of the PowerPoint. Thank you.